subscribe my channel, subscribe it now and press the bell.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We are studying the lesson transformation of the sentences. In the previous video, we have studied simple sentence to compound sentence. In this video, we are going to do opposite of it, that is compound sentence to simple sentence. Now what we have done yesterday, opposite of that we have to do, that will be our today's video, conversion of compound sentence to simple sentence. Sentence: he finished his exercise and put away his books. Now, what is compound sentence? Compound sentence has main clauses joined by coordinating conjunction. Now here there is no particular rules. Only formula you have to keep in mind. What is compound sentence, what is simple sentence, and accordingly you have to change. So compound sentence was easy to make because we were having some conjunctions to add in them. But while making it simple sentence, you have to just think and write. You have to make up your own. You have to understand it and then frame a simple sentence by avoiding some conjunctions and all. So let's see the example. He finished his exercise and put away his books. In this, you have to avoid this conjunction and try to combine this sentence and make one simple sentence. So, see, I have made here, having finished his exercise, he put away his books. So, by your own knowledge, by your own self, you have to frame a simple sentence. Only you have to avoid the repetition of conjunction. You have to avoid the use of conjunction, and both the actions should come in the sentence. Second example, he was a mere boy, but he offered to fight the giant. He was a mere boy, main clause, but is conjunction. He offered to fight the giant. He also we have to repeat because no need of he. We are going to make simple sentence. So, in spite of his being a mere boy, he offered to fight the giant will be our simple sentence. Let's see the next example. He must not be late or he must be punished. He must not be late, main clause or conjunction. He must be punished. He must not be late, he must be punished. Try to make it simple sentence. So how will be it simple sentence? In the event of his being late, he will be punished. Compound sentence: you must either pay the bill at once or return the goods. So you must either pay the bill at once is one main clause or is conjunction what we are going to remove, and return the goods. So try to make it one simple sentence. Failing from payment, the goods must be returned by you will be our simple sentence. Now the easiest example is here to understand how to change simple sentence to compound. If you can keep this sentence in mind, you can change any sentence into simple sentence. Very easy example. You must eat or we must eat or we cannot live. We must eat is one main clause or is conjunction, and we cannot live. Now remove this or remove this we and try to make a simple sentence. So how will be the sentence? We must eat to live. So there are some clue words how to make compound sentence into simple. You can use ing form like that. In first example we have used having. You can use to form of the verb like this, to live. Means when you practice more and more examples, you will start understanding how to make compound to simple. So while making these changes, whether it is simple to compound or compound to simple, you need lots of practice. So whatever grammar books you have, you can practice more and more examples from it to understand how these changes take place. Once you understand the change, it will be very easy for you to understand these changes of sentences.